Welcome back, students. So I have drawn figure 11.1, 11.2 and 11.3. Now understand the concept. So if you consider the first rectangle, okay, the length is already given, that is 28 centimeter, and breadth is given, that is 21 centimeter. You want to find the area of this particular rectangle as well as perimeter of this particular rectangle. So let's see what is the area and perimeter. So if you find the perimeter, name it as A, B, C, D. So perimeter 2 times L plus B, which is equal to 2 times 28 plus 21, which is equal to 2 into 49, which is equal to 98 centimeters. So this is the perimeter. Next we will find area. Area is equal to L into B, which is equal to 28 into 21. Do the multiplication. (588) square centimeter. Now the question is, if you remove the one portion from this rectangle, then does it affect its perimeter and area? That we have to find. So what we can do? This is a diagram. We know that if you cut portion, so if it is straight, then you have only one line segment that you consider as your perimeter in that particular perimeter. But when you cut this portion, now you have 3 line segment extra. 1, 2, 3. So obviously the measure of side line segments will be increased. So perimeter is also increased. Got my point? Suppose this is your 28 centimeter full. Okay. Now out of that I have cut 1 centimeter. This portion I have cut. So only 1 centimeter is less. But in place of that I am adding 3 centimeters more. So obviously the perimeter will increase. Got my point? Okay. But what about the area? Area will decrease because total area minus area of this particular cutting. So 1 square meter. So area decrease and perimeter will increase. Suppose you have this paper, calendar. Why should I take calendar? Because already this calendar is divided into small square box. That you can consider as the area of each one as a 1 square centimeter. Okay. So this is the full area now. But I remove this portion, then that much area will be reduced. Got my point? Total 1 square centimeter area will be reduced from this total page. Okay? But what about the perimeter? When this is joined, you have only full perimeter, only one line segment. Okay? But when you remove this portion, you have extra 1, 2 and 3 sides. This will be included in your particular perimeter. So perimeter will increase, but area will decrease. Same way, suppose I will just fold another square. So now what happened? What about the area? What about the area now? The area will reduce because one full block will be missing. So area will reduce. But what about the perimeter? One line segment will be reduced. In place of that, we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 extra line segments we are adding. So what it means? Perimeter will increase, but area will be reduced. Got my point? So what we can say for this? So what perimeter for this? 28 centimeter, 21 centimeter. Okay. So suppose this 2 parts, 14. So total 1 centimeter is less. So this is your 13.5. This is also 13.5. 27. But what about 1 plus 1 plus 1? So what it is? 21 plus 28 plus 13.5 plus 13.5 plus 1, 2, 3. Now calculate your parameters. 8 plus 1, 9, 49 plus 27 plus 3. So this is 49 plus 30. So what is the answer? 179. Got it? So this way you can say that perimeter will increase as you are just removing the one portion. Move on to the next. On the basis of this, you can consider that if you remove this two square segments, the perimeter will increase but area will reduce. So this is all about how you can judge these three diagrams. When you cut the portion, obviously perimeter will increase but area will slowly reduce. So this is all about your these three diagrams and what you can infer from that. So let's see in your textbook. It is clear that the increase of perimeter need not lead to increase in area. Means area and perimeter both are not interrelated. Increased perimeter doesn't mean area also increased, or increased area doesn't mean perimeter also increased. So this is the you can judge from this three diagram. So this is all about your area and perimeter of square and rectangle. Now we will move on to the solved examples.